Historical Venezuela. Venezuela's independence movement. From whom? Spain and later Gran Colombia. When? 1811 to 1823. Key leader, Simon Bolivar. Timeline. 1520s, Spanish settled the area. 1811, Venezuelans declared independence, but the Spanish crushed them. 1821, Simon Bolivar kept fighting and defeated the Spanish. 1830, became independent from Gran Colombia. 1830 to 1958, military rule until Venezuela's Navy and Air Force forced the leader out. Why did Venezuela want independence from Spain? High taxes, second-class citizen status, corruption, influenced by Enlightenment ideas, influenced by revolutions in the United States and France. Venezuela in pictures. Despite the 12-year-long battle that led to independence, Venezuelans are once again fighting for their freedoms.